Alright, here you go, guys. This is my computer build for 2012. It's pretty much like a light gaming, video editing computer. But here it is. This is I got a Pantheon, I guess. I don't know. It's a case for it. It's a mid-tower case. I liked it because it's got USB 3. It's got a clear side window. You can see all the stuff, and 2 fan controls on top. But that's that. Alright, I guess the case. Then we'll go to we got a power supply. It's a Corsair AX850. It's fully modular. It's a really nice power supply. Windows 7 Professional. Asus DVD 24x SATA hard what do you call it? CD drive, whatever. And the EVGA GTX 550 Ti. Again, I'm not gonna be doing much gaming on this computer, and if I do, it's gonna be like COD 4, War Rock stuff, little stuff like that. Couple of fans. Corsair H100 liquid cooling. Got OCZ Agility 3 60 gig hard drive. Got this, and here's a Western Digital 500 gigabyte Sata 3 hard drive. I was gonna get the 1 terabyte, but they didn't have any left, and since all that stuff over there in Thailand, might as well get while the getting's good. 16 gig of Corsair Vengeance 1600 RAM. Motherboard is a Asus P8Z68V Pro Gen 3. I really like this motherboard. It was between this and the Gigabyte Z68 UD5B- whatever the hell it was. But I like this. Then I got the Intel Core i7 2600K. This is an unlocked processor. I'll probably doing a little bit of overclocking, maybe 4.5. Not too sure how far I'm going to go, but that's that. You can't see it. There it is. But if you guys are in the Cincinnati area, I went to Micro Center to get all this. It's not cheap, but it's not over the top. But there's everything. I guess I'll take short videos of putting it together. See you in a few. Quick look at my computer tower. 3.5, also 5.25. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 or 5.25 fades. Yeah, standard stuff in here: USB 3.0 to 2.0, eSATA, headphone mic. This looks like a LED on off. I'm not sure what that is, because it's reset power fan speed controllers. Right here on top, it's got a for water cooling. You know, we got all the holes and stuff. I don't know all the millimeter shit, but we'll figure that out later. Alright. On the side, nice big window, fans for hard drives. Take these little thumb screws out. Shit. Alright, thumb screws down. Alright, we'll go to the back. We got ports for water cooling. Nice big fan. Bottom mount power supply. IO shield. Awesome. Doesn't look like any fan mounts for that. Ain't there? USB's a pass through. Oh, maybe not. I have to pull that out the front. See what the front looks like. Styrofoam vent. Hopefully it comes with a for mounting a solid state drive. Alright. Fans, cool, awesome, they spin. Nice big one in the back. And motherboard. UTX, ATX. Yeah, little rubber boots for cables. like that. Then on here, they got to where you can just slide your hard drives in. Just connect to your power steady cables there. And you slide in, and that is for the ones you're keeping bottom supply power. Then you got little dust shields and stuff for your power supply, fan, stuff like that. What's that say? Made in China. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to start putting it together. Alright, motherboard installed. Looks pretty cool. Should be sexy when I'm done. Anyway, alright, motherboard. Might need to take it out to put the fans in, not sure, for the water cooling. But there it is. i7 2600K processor. Put it in. Flips in there. Don't want to put any pressure on it. Flip this down. I feel like it's sitting in there right. There's a pin fucked up on it. Now let's try this again. Set this down nice and easy. Close the lid. Processor installed. Next, I think we're gonna do the water cooling. Well, CPU's cooler is installed. So is the RAM, Corsair Vengeance, 16 GB. I was gonna do a push-pull design, but the fans are too big. When you, oh, damn it. Well, it won't fit in behind the RAM. So, guess it'll only be a pull design. Get that screw out of here. Oh, come on. Alright, well, I have to flip it upside down. Alright, next, things could be the power supply and hard drives. And the DVD drive. Got the power supply unit in. The motherboard hooked up. Video card in. GTX 550 Ti. There's one on sale. I ain't gonna do too much gaming. USB. It's in. Got my hard drives in. Solid state and mechanical. Kind of like how they just slide in there. Got my DVD drive in. Gotta do the power and the SATA cable for that. Then some extensive cable management.